Welcome, everyone. We are jumping right into the PSEG online billing system for New Jersey and Long Island customers today. Honestly, managing utilities isn't exactly the most thrilling chore, but mastering this digital portal is an absolute game changer for saving time and avoiding those pesky headaches. So let's get right into it.
Now, I want you to imagine never missing another bill payment again. Seriously, think about how convenient it would be to manage your monthly energy expenses with just a few simple clicks, completely stress-free. No more hunting around for stamps, no more wondering if that check got lost in the mail, and most importantly, no more late fees. Taking control of your payments online gives you immense practical value, and honestly, just peace of mind.
So here is our highly practical roadmap for today's explainer. We're going to cover why pay online, setting up your account, making your payment, helpful portal features, troubleshooting, and FAQs, and finally, some final tips and a quick disclaimer.
Starting with Section 1, Why Pay Online? We'll look at the time-saving benefits of PCSG's digital portal.
Moving right along to Section 2, Setting up your account. We'll talk about overcoming the first digital hurdle.
Okay, so before you can start paying, you need to set up your My Account profile. And honestly, it's surprisingly quick. It's just a simple 3-step process to get you active and highly secure. First up, head over to the PSG website for your specific region, or just download the mobile app and hit register. Second, you'll want to grab a past paper bill because you'll need to plug in your PSE account number and your zip code. And finally, you'll set up a really strong password and enroll in multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Basically, you'll get a one-time passcode sent right to your phone or email for future logins. It's an absolute must for keeping your data incredibly secure.
But what if you're in a rush and your bill is literally due today? Well, if you don't want to create a full profile just yet, you can use the Guest Pay feature for immediate access. It's fantastic because it requires zero login or password. You literally just select Pay My Bill right at the top of the PSEG homepage, plug in your account number and zip code, and boom, you can securely pay your bill on the spot. Just keep in mind, you will miss out on some of the robust management tools we'll talk about in a minute.
Okay, Section 3, Making Your Payment. We're going to be navigating methods and fees. Let's get to the most crucial action, actually paying that bill. Understanding the different methods here can literally save you money. As you can see, there is a stark difference in fees depending on exactly how and where you choose to route your payment. A bank draft directly from your checking or savings account, that is completely free, $0. However, if you choose to pay using a credit or debit card, it triggers a third-party processing fee. In New Jersey, that's typically $3.95, and for Long Island customers using SpeedPay, it's $2.95. And yes, even digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and Venmo carry those third-party flat fees.
So, always remember this clear contrast. Paying directly from your checking or savings account is always free, whereas using a credit card or digital wallet hits you with a surcharge. Why? Well, because the utility doesn't use customer rates to subsidize the cost of processing those credit cards, so that fee gets passed directly to you. Bottom line, if you want to keep your costs as low as possible, linking your bank account is hands down the absolute best strategy.
Moving into Section 4, Helpful Portal Features. This is about going beyond just paying bills.
Once you're comfortable actually making payments, you'll discover that your My Account isn't just a payment portal. It completely transforms into a comprehensive dashboard for monitoring your household usage and stabilizing your budget. For instance, you can sign up for automatic bill pay, so you literally set it and forget it, never miss a due date again. You can also analyze your energy usage with these really neat daily and monthly breakdowns. Or, if you want predictable monthly bills, you can enroll in the Equal Payment Plan, which flattens out the amount you pay each month. Plus, you get instant access to up to 2 years of past bills and payment history, and you can even set up deferred payment arrangements right there if you ever need a little extra assistance.
And for those of you who prefer managing chores right on your phone, the free PSEG mobile app provides all of these robust features with the added convenience of biometric security. You can completely bypass typing in your password by simply enabling fingerprint or facial ID. It puts all the power of that dashboard securely right in the palm of your hand. Now for Section 5, Troubleshooting and FAQs. Let's talk about handling common frustrations. We have to acknowledge that technology isn't perfect, right? So we need to prepare you for common digital roadblocks. This totally relatable quote from a Reddit user highlights a frequent frustration. They said, "Every few days I get an email saying that my account has been locked due to multiple failed logins." They were worried because they were getting locked out frequently, even though their app worked totally fine for them. While this is incredibly annoying, it actually proves that the security systems are actively protecting your data. PSEG locks the account when someone types the wrong password too many times to prevent brute force cyber attacks. So if this happens to you, rest assured the system is working exactly as it should be. But if you ever do face a locked account that you just can't reset, or maybe a payment hasn't posted after 3 business days, don't panic. Simply call the dedicated customer support team for your specific region to get it sorted out. For New Jersey customers, dial 1-800-436-7734. And if you're a Long Island customer, you'll want to reach out to 1-800-490-0025. They have empathetic representatives ready to reset your account and verify your payment status for you.
Finally, Section 6, final tips and disclaimer. We're wrapping up your digital toolkit here. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with some essential final thoughts. Please treat this entire explainer as a foundational guide. You should always verify current fee structures, accepted payment methods, and digital layouts directly on the official PSEG website. You know how it is. Utility companies occasionally update their mobile apps and third-party fee structures. So checking the official source ensures you have the absolute most accurate information before you hit submit. I'd love to foster a community-driven learning experience here, so I want to ask you, after seeing the hidden fees attached to credit cards and digital wallets, are you still going to pay for the privilege of paying your bill? Or are you making the switch to bank drafts today? Drop your own tips, tricks, or questions about managing utility bills in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I hope this makes managing your expenses just a little bit easier.